I'm gonna be teaching you an accent from my hometown, which is Liverpool. It's more of a difficult accent actually if you don't know it, but main components is a higher pitch. Again, blend the words together just like American, and throw in a few sounds like and with the R's. Okay, so if you were gonna say, I'm so thirsty, let's go for a drink. I'm so thirsty, let's go for a drink. You can say it yourself. I'm so thirsty, let's go for a drink. Okay. And then maybe say something else. We can say, and you can leave comments if you want me to say anything in a you know, for an audition for you. If you get stuck on something, I can repeat, and then you can, you know, go in for your audition being well prepared. But let's say, what time is it? I'm running late. What time is that? I'm running late. So just practice that at home. Catch my next video, subscribe below. I've got lots more tips and tricks to offer you guys, and see you next time.